How to delete Wise account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to close your Wise account, here are the process by which you can do so. So first and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for wise.com. Next step would be to log in into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, tap on the profile section which is on the top right corner. From that page, you can go to the settings section and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down to check for the option of close my account. Tap on it and confirm in order to close the account. This might ask you to enter your password. However, make sure to do some of the steps before you close the account. Withdraw all money from your balances, download any transfer receipts, and disconnect all the accounting platforms. Once this is done, you should be good to go. However, if you don't see the option of the close account, you can click on leave this business account. This might ask you to enter the password and confirm before leaving the account. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.